asked for it, and M48 delivers once again with this all-new M48 Magnum Spear. The spear is a massive 65.5-inch in overall length. The shaft is crafted of 30% fiberglass reinforced nylon. The tactical spearhead has a rock-solid cast stainless steel construction with a sharpened edge, and this hefty piece of steel has a black oxide and smooth satin finish. A strong TPR sheath is included to house the blade. The M48 logo lets you know it's the best in tactical survival gear.
In 2017, RAVIN crossbows changed the industry with rifle-like 3-inch groups at 100 yards. So, how do you make the world's best crossbow better? The answer, the new R26 at just 5 3/4 inches axle to axle and 26 inches in length, while still driving bolts down range of 400 feet per second. It's the smallest, deadliest, most accurate crossbow in the world. Visit RAVINCrossbows.com.
United Cutlery continues to lead the way with this brand new M48 Naginata Polearm. The hefty, thick Naginata blade features tempered 2CR13 stainless steel construction with a non-reflective hard coat black oxidized finish and a sharp edge. The contemporary design of the shaft utilizes a 30% fiberglass and reinforced nylon material that is virtually indestructible. A TPR blade cover is included for safe and convenient storage and transportation. Measuring in at nearly 5 full feet in overall length, the M48 Naginata Polearm provides extended reach with pulverating potential.
The LA Police Gear Zombie Hunter Bag is a compact bag packed with tons of features. The front of the bag is covered with MOLLE webbing and a place for your patches so that you can easily customize and identify your bag. The front pocket. It has 3 elastic bands made to fit AR or pistol magazines. There are 2 pockets on each side, and each pocket has its own internal divider. Inside the bag are 3 compartments. The first is lined with a soft polyester fabric to protect your pistol from scratches. The divider between the middle and the back of the bag features 4 pen holders and a slip pocket for any various loose items. There's also a hook and loop at the top that allows for a radio to be placed inside the bag. You can choose to carry the LA Police Gear Zombie Hunter Bag using the reinforced grip handle at the top or the included shoulder strap. Come visit us at www.lapolicegear.com for more information.
Hey, it's Tracy. Leave a message.
Tracy, it's Frank. Listen, I was driving to meet you, and I hit these people on the road. I got out to help them, and they attacked me. It's like they weren't alive, and then they started to chase me. I just started running, and I was able to get inside that old mental hospital off of South Street. I'm hiding out here, and... Tracy.
it's me. I'm camping out for the night. I'm gonna get going again when the sun rises. Just wait there. I know I'm close. Okay, I'll be there. I love you.